If you're looking to reduce glare in your windows, there are a lot of Hunter Douglas window treatment options to be able to help you do that. One of the most popular ones out there is the Hunter Douglas Designer Screen Shade. We're able to really reduce the glare in your windows, but also maintain your view to the outside while offering just a little bit of privacy. If you're looking for a little more modern option, if you're looking for something that's a little upgraded, the Hunter Douglas Silhouette and Nantucket do a fantastic job of blocking glare in the window. To be able to tilt open, to see through, to block the glare that comes in that might be on your furniture or in your face, still allows you to see outside. Or if you really need to block more of that sun and glare, you can tilt them shut, completely block the glare, but you would also have full privacy. There are many other Hunter Douglas shades that also help you block the glare on the windows. The Hunter Douglas Vignette Modern Roman shade does a wonderful job of allowing light to filter through it, but also block that heavy glare on your windows, especially when you're trying to watch television. We do a lot of Hunter Douglas blinds and shutters that do a really nice job of redirecting the light, which helps with glare. It doesn't completely block the glare, but if you tilt the louvers upward or downward, you can redirect the light in the room up to the ceiling or down to the floor, which naturally keeps the glare out of your eyes. Yeah, we find in our experience working with homeowners that home theaters are very prone to glare. Any light that comes in the windows can really affect the performance of that home theater system. So we actually do a lot of room darkening honeycomb shades that come in a track system that completely eliminate the light around it, so that when you really want that dark theater room and you want to eliminate all ambient light, you have a wonderful option. And pair that with automation and motorization, you can actually turn your audio video equipment on while the shades lower and get you ready for movie time. One of the many ways that you can cut glare and maintain the light that comes in is you can focus on Hunter Douglas's semi-opaque shades. And semi-opaque allows light to filter through the shade, but it blocks the harshest of glare. It also blocks your view, so you do get privacy during the day. Many of these Hunter Douglas products, including the Hunter Douglas Silhouette, the Hunter Douglas Vignette, the Hunter Douglas Pirouette, Designer Roller and Designer Screen Shades, Nantucket shades, Applause shades, and of course the Hunter Douglas Sonnet would all help you accomplish blocking that glare, but allowing natural light into the room during the day.